What it do, booze? It's Lolo. I'm finally doing this giveaway of the DJi MAViC mini drone. I bought this drone, never flown the drone, and then my cameraman came back into my life, so I was like, why not give it away and, make somebody happy. So step one, to enter the giveaway, subscribe to my channel at Laurel Original. Step two is comment under this video and only comment one time. Step three is share this video. And that's it. If you would like extra entries, follow my social medias at Laurel Original and DM or message me and let me know that you entered. I would like to make some connections with you. Last but not least, this giveaway will be over and I will choose the winner once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you are checking on the description box for updates. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day, okay?